What a beautiful kitchen. Isn't this gorgeous? This is the two bedroom at the Oliver in the Heights in Houston. It's just stunning. Look at the detail in here. The beautiful appliances, all of the cabinets, the white, the appliances, that gas range. Ooh, love it. And this is incredible. I love this. I love this island. This is amazing. Look at this living room. Actually, sorry, study or formal dining room. You could make this into a work area. You can make it into another sitting area. Um, and you could even have a guest there temporarily too. This would be cool. So this is a two bedroom with a study area, and look how big this is too. This is very, very large. You can have a lot of people in here. You could have 15 or 20 people in here easily, easily. The two bedrooms are over there and over there, so they're really nicely separated too. Hey, this is fun, you guys. This is the kind of place you want to be in. Don't you love it? I love it. Hey, send me a text. I've got a number below. That's actually my personal cell phone. Send me a text and go, hey, Grant, I really like this. This is a cool floor plan. I want to get more information about the Oliver. What I'll do is I'll respond back, even if it's late, if it's 11 p.m., midnight. Probably won't respond right then, but I'll respond in the morning and get you immediate pricing availability. We'll help pick out like the perfect location here at the Oliver, and I'll get you the best specials that are possible, like 1 month free and stuff like that. Send me that text, and then we'll be chatting soon. Also, you can always go to our website, uptown101.com, uptown101.com, and just put in a search request there if you want to do it that way too. And like this video. Like this video. We love it when people like our videos because it tells us, yeah, these are good videos that people want to see. We've got another detailed walkthrough of this floor plan coming up, so get ready for that.